Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 was launched in India in April in 3 variants. The base variant has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage and is priced at Rs 10,999, and the 4GB RAM variant has 64GB storage and is priced at Rs 12,999. These two variants were available on flash sale for the past few months. However, the 6GB RAM variant with 64GB storage was not available. This device has been launched today for a pricing of Rs 14,999 and will be available on sale from July 26th via Flipkart. We've got the 6GB RAM variant of this smartphone over here. Let us proceed with the unboxing and first impression of this device. So let's proceed with the unboxing of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 over here. So they have given a free clear pouch of this smartphone for those who need extra protection. And we have the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. We have the charging cable, the charging adapter. The other one is an interesting accessory, the Max box, which will increase the sound output when you have placed the device on this accessory. Now here's the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So let's proceed with the specifications and the design of this device. So the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has a 5.99-inch display with a Full HD Plus resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. It is a full view display and the bezels aren't too thin as seen on the flagship devices, and it is acceptable for the pricing of this smartphone. It has a metal build at its rear, and there is a fingerprint sensor and a dual camera setup as well at the rear panel. Now notably, the 3GB and 4GB RAM variants have a lower camera resolution of 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel and a front camera of 8 megapixel. However, the 6GB RAM variant has 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear camera. The power button and the volume rockers are positioned at the right edge of the device, and there is a dedicated microSD card slot and a dual SIM slot at the left edge of the device. The 3.5mm audio jack and the micro USB charging port as well as the speaker grills are positioned at the bottom. The top has just a microphone. This smartphone from Asus runs on Android 8.1.0 Oreo and it features a Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. The interesting aspect is the presence of the 5000 mAh battery, which can render a long-lasting battery life. With these specifications, this smartphone competes with the Oppo Realme 1 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now if we dive into the settings menu, there are some useful features such as the mirror cast, which can let you mirror the contents on the smartphone to a large screen device such as a TV, and you can also do the printing task from your phone. And there are options in accessibility to let the speech impaired people to use the device without any difficulty. So let me show you the Maxbox functionality at the first place. So you can listen to this sound quality right now without the Maxbox, and now you can see the difference in the sound clarity. There is a nice immersive audio output on placing the device on this accessory. This smartphone has both face unlock and fingerprint scanning for biometric security features, and right now I've registered both my fingerprint as well as face to secure this device. So let me show you how quickly the device can unlock using my fingerprint sensor. It's as simple as this to unlock the Asus Zenfone Max Pro using this fingerprint sensor. So let me show you how this device can unlock using my face, which I've already registered. So it does the work in an instant. Talking about the camera features, there are a lot of modes in this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So you can see that there are HDR, portrait, landscape, sports mode and flower mode. There's also a candlelight sunset modes for interesting photography. You can see that there are filters also to give a nice effect to the photos that we click. You are with Abhinaya watching the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 unboxing and first impression. Do stay tuned to our Gizbot YouTube channel for more videos related to gadgets. Thank you.